Questions 5 and 6 want us to graph the logarithms and then state the domain. So I'm going to type in log of x on the y equals on my calculator and then graph on the standard window. And this is going to look like this. And you can't really see it because the axis is in the way, but it actually continues down like this. Okay, so they want us to declare the domain. Now, domain is talking about how far left and how far right does your function go. Well, it goes as far to the right as it can, so it's going to go all the way to infinity. But going to the left, it goes all the way to 0, and it actually doesn't reach 0. So it's going to be 0, infinity. Okay, let's graph log of x minus 3. And that's going to look like this. And it looks like it just stops here on the calculator. But that's actually not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to continue going down like this. And the reason why it doesn't show on the calculator, my theory, is that it gets so steep that it looks like a vertical line. And a vertical line is not a function, it's undefined. So it kind of shuts the calculator down. So that's kind of my theory as to why it doesn't show, but the actual graph should look like it continues down like this. And my domain is going to be, well, as you go to the left, it's not going to get past 3. And as you go to the right, it's going to go forever.